Hey guys, so here is this month's paper pumpkin. It is January's paper pumpkin. It is called Be Mine Valentine. It is a treat theme this month. However, I'm not going to make what the kit is intended for. I'm going to be making cards because I have no use for little treat containers. Adorable, but I don't want to be stuck with them. But it is a kit that coordinates with a product in the annual catalog. Let me get that real quick. Okay, I'm really excited about this kit because when the annual catalog came out, I kind of contemplating getting this suite. I didn't, I haven't, I don't know if I'm going to, but it is the Animal Expedition suite that the paper pumpkin coordinates with. So if you have this suite, you could bring in the DSP, some of the elements. So really cute suite. And like I said, it's adorable, but I don't necessarily have a need for this theme. So if I can skip on it, I need to skip on it. My wallet thanks me. But anyway, this is the kit. It coordinates with that suite. So it's nice to have a little bit of the suite, but not purchase the suite. If that makes any sense. So here is the kit. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and lay everything out like usual, and then we will go through each of the items. All right, here is the instruction sheet. You have a colored printout, and this makes quite a bit of, you can make 24 pillow box treats. So if you are a teacher or you have school-age children and they want to make Valentine's Day treats for their class, this would be perfect. If I was teaching this year, I probably would make the project and fill it with treats for my students. And then inside, of course, you have your step-by-step instructions. Down here you have a ruler, which is always handy, especially if you get twine or anything. It doesn't look like twine is in this kit, but it's always nice to have that. And on the back, you have the two projects and then what your kit includes. So we'll go through what the kit includes, like always. First, you have your Be Mine Valentine photopolymer stamp set. So the stamp set includes quite a bit of sentiments. You have your one in a chameleon, for you, my friend, to, from, love you, you're so fly, be mine, happy Valentine's Day, and be my Valentine. And you have two birds, a chameleon stamp, heart, and some shapes. So that is your stamp set. You get a Melon Mambo ink pad, which I will bring in my full size, and I'll leave this sealed. Then you get 24 double-sided pillow boxes. So, okay. So you can make them all one color, it looks like. Maybe. But you get the Melon Mambo with the stripes and the hearts. And then you get, what color is this? Pool Party. In this color, and they both are double-sided. So you get 15 printed die-cut element sheets. So you get 6 of these, and all of this punches out, and I just love this. I think it's so sweet. They're all of the same print. So we'll be making a few cards with this. Hearts. These are like scalloped hearts. Really like these. Really pretty. Get several sheets of that, and then you get several sheets of the scalloped circles, and they're stitched, both the heart and the circles. Then you will get 40 epoxy hearts, 2 colors, 2 sizes, 200 dimensionals, 100 adhesive dots, and 24 adhesive strips. So all that is included in the baggie. Oh, and then you get these to stamp your sentiment on. So that is it for the kit contents. Like I said, we're not going to do the intended project, which are these, but I will make a few cards with you. We'll see how many cards I get. I haven't decided yet. All right, guys. If you're interested in Paper Pumpkin, it is a monthly subscription. that you could sign up for. You could sign up for a month, 6 months, a year. I think 3 months is also an option. But also, if you want to take advantage of Celebration and you sign up for a year, I don't know the exact cost, but you sign up for a year and buy a couple more items to get you to $250. You get Stampin' rewards and you get 5 free Celebration items. So that is a big expense, but if you can afford it and you want to do Paper Pumpkin but get a lot of benefits from it, from signing up during Celebration, it's a great time. So I'm going to go into voiceover and explain the card making process. So let me know if you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin or anything, and hope you guys enjoy. Okay, for the first card, I am taking one of the little kangaroos, and I'm using an X-Acto knife to cut a slit where its pouch would be, or where it is, because I want to stick one of the little hearts in there. So just like that, and I use a glue dot to secure the heart. And then I'm going to take the scalloped heart you see to the right. And this pattern is obviously the pillow box. I just cut it down and cut strips off, and I'm attempting to use my banner triple punch to cut the ends, but I do not get them straight at all. And I'm like, whatever, we're going with it. So I go ahead and use both sides of the pillow box and just adhere it with some tape. The banner triple punch, I think, will cut out an inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches, I think. And my paper was a little bit over 1 inch, so I couldn't get it exactly in the groove that is on the punch in order to punch it out correctly. So I go and take the heart, pop it up, and this card base is A2 size, so 5.5 by 4.25 once scored and folded. And it's crumb cake, one of my favorite Stampin' Up! Colors. I like it in place of craft color. Craft's a little bit darker, and I really like the crumb cake because it has a softer look to it. So I go ahead and attach the heart and the kangaroo. And then I take the sentiment, Happy Valentine's Day, and I'm using Melon Mambo ink. I'm just using my full-size ink pad, and I am going to stamp that on the little strip. Sorry, my head. Stamp it on the strip that came in the kit for these sentiments. Pop that up and go ahead and adhere that down. The kit does come with Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm kind of using them interchangeably with mini Stampin' Dimensionals that I have. Go ahead and take a few of these hearts and attach them, and that will be the first card. This is probably my favorite card out of the 3 I make. Really cute. And I cased it. I used that card that they did as my inspiration. So for this card, I'm taking Pool Party card base, and here is another one of those pillow boxes that I have cut down. You can see the crease. I'm taking some ribbon from my stash. I love this ribbon so much. It's in the new Occasions catalog. I'll have it linked below. It's like burlap, I've said before, but white, and I really like it. So I'm going to stamp my sentiment on the circle scallop piece that came in the Paper Pumpkin, and going to pop that up, and then I'm going to go ahead and attach the little chameleons. Really cute. I was looking at a lot of projects, alternative projects with the Paper Pumpkin, and many people brought in elements of the suite. So if you're looking for inspiration, just keep that in mind. And like I said, I don't have the suite or the paper. I just don't have anything from that suite. So I kind of had to improvise with what was in the kit. And I really, if I do alternative projects, I really try to stick with what's in the kit. So if you want to do something different, you're going to use the kit contents. You're not going to have to bring all these other supplies. So there's this little heart stamp, little cluster of hearts that I'm stamping out on some Melon Mambo cardstock, and I'm using the Melon Mambo ink. And I just stamp that all around the outside of my card base. And then again, I have trimmed up, kind of cut apart a pillow box. I attached the blue part this time. And then here's just a leftover piece that I go ahead and decide to use. Why not? Otherwise it would have gone in the trash. And I want to use the kangaroo again because I really love the kangaroo. And I'm using the circle scallop. And I'm going to attach it. Kind of trying to figure out where to lay it out. Go ahead and attach that down. And then I will attach the sentiment. And then I do add some hearts again. Pop up the sentiment. Once all your die cut elements are used up, you have the stamp set left, and the stamp set does have a chameleon on it. That way, that sentiment you're wanting a chameleon, you can still use it without having the die cut pieces. So here are the 3 cards. Really cute. I love that middle one so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found some inspiration. If you're interested in Paper Pumpkin, the link will be below. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.